We will now see a receipt of transaction for a special case, which is a government customer on a general booking basis. This is a facility is primarily used by companies like NAFED, which are cooperative societies, and some government parties in some states where they do not take a reservation but keep the stocks on a delivery basis. As we all know, normally for a delivery basis customers, it's supposed to be payment against delivery. But since these are government customers, we have provided a special option in WMS to enable a monthly billing provision for a delivery basis customers. Please note, this facility is currently not available for private limited companies, farmers and individuals, and it's available only for government customers like public sector undertakings, cooperatives, state civil supplies, state PSUs, state governments, only government customers. Let's go to the application and see how this particular functionality works. So first I go to receipt of stock. I go to general booking. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use an existing user to create this particular transaction. I'm choosing an existing user. You see here the second party, Amnear Overseas. This is this first party, Swarna, which is a customs department. I'm going to use him next, and I'm going to use the OTP detail of this particular party to get the OTP 151709. I skip the at this stage. If you want, you can actually change the identification documents, or if you find that some documents have been current documents have come in, you can change the verification documents. Skip. Now here I am going to let us assume this party is keeping groundnut pods. Okay, and he's keeping about 500 bags. Weight is 250. Deposit application date is today 27. Packing type is bag. Select packing is 50 kg. Rate per weight is let us say 4,000 rupees per quintal. So the market value has come. Insurance by CWC. Variety is let us say I put as groundnut. Okay, and I submit. So I have done the deposit application form. Now I go to the receipt of stock. I go to general booking. I do the gate in. So the particular gate in has come. Choose gate number 1, mode of transport, truck. I'm just going to take all the 500 bags in one truck since this is for demonstration purposes. So let me take a Maharashtra truck 23A12434. L number of units 500. Go to the payment in. Token has been created. It is 27. I now select the weighbridge, which is on, packing, which is bag. I captured the weight of the gross weight. So let me put as 303. Capture. I go to quality examination. Accept. I go to stacking now. You see here, this same error which we discussed in an earlier module is appearing. That means because this is a new commodity and space has not been allocated. So I can click here from here. This will take me to this stack allocation of space window. So this is the we have go down number 11, compartment 11A, stack type full stack, main stack is 11A1 and 11. So 11A3 and 11A4. Commodity type is food product. Commodity is groundnut pods bag. Variety is groundnut. Packing type is bag. Packing is 50 kg and save. So stack has been allocated. So you go back to receipt of stock. You go to the general booking and you go to the stacking section. Once again, pick up the token from there. Now the stack is coming in. You receive the stack in 11, 11A, full stack. Main stack is 11A. Bag, let us say, is 200 on this main stack. I go to the other stack, choose the option number 11, compartment 11A. Stack is full stack. Compartment is 11A, A4. Bag unit is 300. Okay, so that makes it 500 and I submit it. Now I go to the payment out. I go to token number. Okay, I capture the tare weight. The tare weight was 50.000, 50 tons truck. Okay, if there is an empty gunny weight, you can put it. So the net weight will be 20.500. If individually I want to adjust the weight in the stack, I can do that by adjusting out here. Okay, and I say submit. Get out. Now I say save. So I have completed the receipt transaction of a government party on a general basis. Now let's proceed to the option of creating the ACK. So go to receipt and then we do a general booking and then we create an ACK. So let us say search. Okay, now when I create an ACK, you will find an option here called as billing type. So here what you do is you have an option to choose whether it is a monthly billing or a payment against delivery. This is the current option. Soon we will come out with an option where this will always be on monthly billing by default. You will not be able to choose because this is what the party is going to have from future. So right now, since this is a government party who will not pay you at the time of taking delivery, but they are expecting a monthly billing facility on a delivery basis for a delivery basis type of storage. So I click the monthly billing. The rest of the details are as we saw earlier. You have to put the rate of the empty gunnies. It could be, let us say, 12 rupees. And the rest of the details are, if you want to put any remarks, for example, if this is a material of a society, you want to put the society name, you can say, you can put the society name AVSS Jaipur. Okay, so this remarks column is specifically useful in the case of NAFED. Now I'm doing a save. So you have now completed the ACK. Let me go to the DFCK done and then let me see the view. Again go back and do the PDF. If I take the original PDF, you see here this is what it is. It's the monthly billing. And the remarks column, what we mentioned, the society name is clearly reflected out here if you see here. Okay, so this can be used as a very good tool for especially the various societies or which store materials in CWC on behalf of NAFED. So in such cases, in some regions, what NAFED does is they book space or they tell the societies that you can go and utilize the space in CWC store commodities which they are procuring from their local farmers. And there is a requirement by NAFED that we have to identify this particular commodity belongs to which society, and hence this particular column is remarks column is quite useful in bringing in those requirements. So this completes the special receipt for government customers on a monthly billing basis. Also, there is an important register which we missed in the earlier cases. Is if you want to see, go to the reports and register. There is this register called as ACKWHR register. If you look at it, it will tell you clearly what are the customers, what ACK or WHR is provided against them, the billing type of the ACKR, the DAF number against which this particular ACK came in, the request number generated by the system, the warehouse receipt number, date, the commodity, variety. It also tell you what is the total number of bags received at the time of receipt, and then what is the current, like in this case, if you look at this, for the area test customer, 700 bags was received with a total weight of 300, and the stack number is 10C2, and it's talk about 600 bags, which is currently lying under this particular stock. So which means 700 came in and 600 lying, which means 100 has actually been issued. So that is how you actually ascertain. So this is a very, very good report in terms of trying to find out what is the current stock available in the warehouse for all the parties together, stack wise. It will also give you the DAF. It will also give you the what is the type of billing.